Hello guys, today I've got SOUNDCORE AeroClip earbuds and I'm going to show you why won't your device charge. So here, as you can see, we've got our charging port, and here we've got top one reason, the most common one. Grab a flashlight and flash here inside this port. If you see some debris, if you see dust, you need to clean it. This is the top one common issue with the charging ports, that they get dirty and cable can't get to the end of the charging port, which means that your earbuds can't charge. That's the fact. You need to clean this port with non-metallic tools. Don't use water and everything should be okay. If you have no debris inside, we need to move to some other thing. Try replacing the cable. If your cable is damaged, is broken, or just is a cable that's old, you need to try to replace it with a new one or some different one. It doesn't have to be old, of course. Just try using another one. Here, for example, I've got this Apple one, which works, and as you can see, even though it's damaged, it works. Here it works, but if you see that your cable is like this, try to replace it just like this, and it should work. If it didn't work for you, you need to try to use a different power brick, different charger, different wall outlet, different charging source, and you need to just combine all these things and check whether it's working or not. If it still doesn't want to charge, you need to contact the device support because your device is broken, and no, factory reset won't help here. Probably. You can try to do this, but it probably won't help. How to do this? Oh, pardon me, my Facebook. Hold this button over here for 10 seconds while you have your case opened till you see this LED light going red. That's it. Goodbye.